going on, guys? Welcome back. Right now I'm waiting on Andrew Flair. He's actually back from the Amazon. He's been freaking in the Amazon like forever. So he's back. We're gonna go fishing. He's gonna pick me up and we're gonna head to a pond, see if we can catch some bass today. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna do any challenges or anything, but I guess we're just catching fish. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's go.
You might be the worst person at giving directions.
Really?
It was 105th Street, and you couldn't even give me an address. It took me like an extra 20 minutes to get here. Let's go catch fish.
Let's go. Oh, jeez.
Dang it. Yeah. Take care.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Every time. Let's go, boys.
We made it. It's a little warmer today, isn't it?
A little warm.
A little warmer today. It's like 70 degrees or so. I'm gonna tie on a chatterbait, maybe a spinnerbait. Should we do like a chatterbait spinnerbait challenge?
Maybe.
1v1 maybe? All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of a chatterbait spinnerbait 1v1 here. I'm gonna throw the spinnerbait. Yeah. You throw the chatterbait? Yep. So we got about 2 hours or so to fish. So let's go to work. Okay.
All right, let's get it going, boys.
All right, we got the makeshift paddle here.
Oh, hell yeah.
Paddle straight out of the pond.
All right, you want to get the battery hooked up and stuff?
Good?
What a beaut.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go catch some hogs, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Jeez.
We had to use some little momentum.
Yeah, that trolling motor's a little beat up.
Why'd you get it backwards? Okay. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Say that one more time.
Flair's on the phone over here.
Okay. You're talking about what, Wes?
First one.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Here, fishy.
There we go.
You got one?
Yep.
Oh, Rick, you hooked up? Look at that, parallel in the weeds. Almost like I know what I'm talking about, almost. But the spinnerbait done dead, right?
Oh yeah, she's huge.
Rick, is this your first time bassing or what? What's going on here? Oh, barely even hooked. How about that? How you doing up there, bub? Killing the game? Can we count your salad as fish? Are we tied now?
Yeah, we're counting it. Well, chatterbait. Chatterbait's up 2-1.
2-1, boys.
2-1.
2-1. Yes, sir. Woo! Oh.
Trolling motor off.
Okay, trolling motor, hang on.
Oh! I saw him follow it.
The motor's not doing a whole lot. We're gonna have to float in there.
The chatterbait's destroying.
Chatterbait's just getting her done, son. That's the biggest one so far. Hands down.
I feel like it's because that's weedless.
Dude, that's pushing probably 3 pounds or so. Decent. There's one. Got him. Oh, yep. Yep, that's 5. Get up in here. Number 5. Hooking. What do you got going on back there, Rick? Well, this dude's kind of mangled up. That's 5. We are absolutely on a tear right now. An absolute freaking tear. Just floating. Literally, the wind is pushing her, and we're both just casting at this weed edge. And they're just stacked on it.
That's one.
Get him! Oh, you got him.
Wow.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Wait. What? Hang on. Flare fishing fam. Look at that.
It's your brother.
Bro. Well, that's 2 though.
Yeah.
2 to 5.
2 to 5.
He's coming back.
2 to 5 so
I
far.
honestly do. I sense a comeback right now. I feel like hooking's just gonna get dialed on him and absolutely just wreck him.
Dialed on the 6 inchers.
Got it.
What we working with?
Got it, baby.
That is a toad.
Oh my gosh.
All right, well, spinnerbait's not doing too hot right now, so me and Andrew boy over here we're gonna switch baits. I'm gonna throw the chatterbait for a little bit. He's gonna throw the spinnerbait. See if that makes a difference. I don't know. Maybe
You might just be cheeks.
maybe I'm just trash.
I think you're cheeks.
Yeah, I think that's probably it. But we're gonna switch baits and see if that makes a difference. I don't know. Andrew has fished in a couple tournaments himself, you know.
Yeah.
Back in the day.
Yeah. He's a slut. I quit because I just didn't want to put Kevin Van Dam out of work. You know, I felt bad.
Yeah, he didn't want to. He didn't want to put Kevin Van Dam. You know, he didn't want to put him down. He just didn't want to make him go bankrupt. You know.
That's right. Felt bad for him.
Yeah. Holy crap! Almost done. Broke the rod. The pond's like cut in half right now. There's one.
Got him?
Yep.
Oh, the chatterbait. The chatterbait takes another one. What the heck was that? Is it a big one?
What we got going here?
Oh, we got
Good. Ready?
We got ourselves a toad. Oh, there you go. 7.
Finally.
7 to 2.
Chatterbait 7. Spinnerbait 2. That's a chunky dude right there. Look at the colors on him.
Got him.
Got him?
Is he still on? He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. We're doubled up. We're doubled up. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. How you doing, Rick?
That's lit.
A decent one, boys. He's still there. He's still there. Look at that. We're doubled up. Which one's bigger? But it's 3 to 7. So I'm helping the spinnerbait.
Yeah, you are.
At least I'm helping the cause to make this somewhat of a competition, even though Hook can just slate a fish. But
yeah.
No. Well, we got to release them at the same time. What if they're like husband and wife?
Yeah, what if they're like married?
All right, let's release them
Ready?
at the same time. 1, 2,
3.
Wow, how cute was that?
Wow.
That is so
romantic.
Cute. So cute. On the spinner. That's 5 for the spinner.
On spinner.
Oh, does he have me in weeds, or is this like a... Oh, okay. Might actually be a good fish. Yeah, that's a good fish. That's a decent one.
Dink.
Get up here. Woo! Dude, I'm making a comeback with the spinnerbait. That's 5.
Oh, shoot.
5 to 7.
There's one. Oh, he came off. Dang it.
I just haven't done this so long, I'm in a good mood, you know?
Yeah, you're in a good mood? Ooh, rabbit.
Oh, frog call.
Oh.
Frog, you gotta give him a frog call.
There's one. Yeah, we got him on, boys. And she's on. She ain't coming off. Oh, yeah, we got a hog on.
Hog on, boys!
Oh, she's a wild one.
We got a hog on, son.
Get in here. Where am I?
Huh? 8?
Get in here.
Get in here, boy. Woo!
That's you.
That's 8.
Videos too.
Yep, there's one.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, goodness, son. Goodness, son.
Toad?
Toad, hog on. Hog
Toad and a
on.
half.
7. Get in here, little guy. Oh, oh. Chill out. Oh, 7 to 8. Chatterbait still in the lead.
We're heading out. Right?
Done, boys.
We're done.
Done.
What was this? We can't figure out the score yet. We don't know. We're kind of lost.
I think Chatterbait won.
Chatterbait. I think Chatterbait won by 1. I think. So. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. All right. That's it. We're calling it now. Ended a little early today. Floyd's got to go home and do some junk, right?
Grind.
He's got to grind the Amazon videos out, right?
Yeah.
Floyd's got to go home and drop the Amazon videos, you know, all that crap. But caught some fish.
Chatterbait versus Spinnerbait was a success. Chatterbait took the dub by 1. It was it 9-8, right?
So, yeah.
9-8. So Chatterbait won. It's a lot of fun. Make sure, if you don't know this dude right here, his name is Andrew Flair. He's probably he's making a come up in the YouTube game, you know.
Just started, yeah.
Yeah, he's making a come up. But make sure to go check him out if you don't know who he is. Good chance you do. But
Probably not.